Welcome to Trail Tuesday, and the truth will set you free. Now, please comment on this video. Like this video, thumbs up. It's going to help the algorithms and spread this vital life-saving information. Let's get into this. Now, I'd love the quote from Albert Einstein. Genius abhors consensus because when consensus is reached, thinking stops. Stop nodding your head. Now, a few days ago, a judge did something that shook the world. Okay, and we're going to get into what he ruled, why he ruled it, and what you can do to protect yourself, your family. If you're a parent, a grandparent, a child, and you're living in America, this affects you. And I'm going to show you what you can do about the politics and how you can protect your family. So what actually happened? Well, this judge, John Brian Murphy, blocked the Health and Human Services changes that he says he made it without proper advisory committee on immunization practices process. He called the changes arbitrary and capricious. He restored the pre-January 2026 schedule and invalidated the rush ACIP appointments from June. Now, of course, the American Academy of Pediatrics said it's a major victory for children's and communities and pediatricians everywhere. And the AAP filed lawsuits along with 5 other medical organizations. Now, it's interesting. I love this quote from Michael Crichton. The greatest challenge to mankind is the challenging of distinguishing reality from fantasy, truth from propaganda. Receiving the truth has always been a challenge to mankind, but in the information age, or I think of it as disinformation age, it takes on a special urgency and importance. Michael Crichton, really interesting guy. Okay, so what actually happened? Well, before January 2026, there were 18 universally recommended. Now, they say they're not mandatory, but they are mandatory to get into most schools and to get jobs. After January 2026, they reduced it down to 11. Now, these ones that were off of the schedule, they were moved to discretionary. That means they weren't mandated and that you would have to decide whether you wanted to get them or not. So you actually had that personal choice or could meet with a doctor. Now, what the judge said, and this is using political and SIDRAP, how it was done was wrong. In June 2025, all the 17 Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, the experts were fired. 13 new hand-picked members were appointed without proper vetting. In January 2026, a memo signed by a non-doctor acting as CDC director and no public comment and no scientific review. The court called it arbitrary and capricious. Interesting. Well, now what's going on underneath this? If the entire system was working so well, let's look at the CDC. So ultimately, this is to help the health of our population. Do we have the healthiest population in America? What's going on? Well, according to the CDC, in the last 10 years, from 2013 to 2023, 60% of our young people have a chronic illness or disease. 80% of our population that's in the midlife has a chronic illness disease. And the older adults, 90% have a chronic illness or disease. That's not a good trend. And again, great quote from Michael Crichton. The greatest scientists in history are great because they broke with the consensus. There's no such thing as consensus science. If it is consensus, it isn't science. If it's science, it isn't consensus, period. And Jean Piaget, scientific knowledge is a perpetual evolution. It finds itself changed from one day to the next. Remember, it's knowledge that we have up to that time. Now, we're going to cover more in the second part, but that's only for members. So, normally it costs $30 a month to be on our adaptive physiology site. And this is where we have over 600 censored videos. Now we have and here's the code word. Write down big deal, all capitals 01. And this way, it's $4.50 a month. You get access to all of our articles, and you're going to see all sorts of content that we literally had to remove from social media. And I'll see you there. And this, oh, you got to check out this article. Schedule battle that could change everything. Brilliant article. Get on there. But no, the world was built for you, and you were built for the world. We've got to change the politics out of science and take care of yourselves. God bless you all.